Welcome to Daily English Learning. We provide easy-to-understand English learning videos every day. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, you will find content that suits you here. Subscribe to us and improve a little bit every day. Back down. Faced with strong opposition, the government finally chose to back down. Don't back down easily, stand your ground. Back up. I will always back you up on your decisions. Don't forget to regularly back up your important files. Blow up. Don't blow up this small matter out of proportion. The terrorists attempted to blow up the bridge. Build up. It takes time to build up trust. Clouds are building up. It might rain soon. Brush up. I need to brush up on my French. You'd better brush up your resume before the interview. Back out. He backed out of the competition at the last minute. You can't back out now, it's your commitment. Break through. The scientists finally broke through the technical barrier. The sunlight broke through the dark clouds. Bring down. The government is working to bring down the inflation rate. The protesters are trying to bring down the current regime. Boil down to. This complex issue ultimately boils down to a matter of trust. Let's boil down this idea to its essentials. Be made of. This statue is made of marble. The human body is mainly made of water. Be up to. The decision is yours, it's up to you. I'm not sure if I'm up to this task. Be over. The exam is finally over. She is over her fear of public speaking. Bear out. The latest research findings bear out our theory. The facts bear out his statement. Beef up. We need to beef up our security measures. He is beefing up his programming skills. Blow over. This controversy will blow over soon. Everything will be fine once the storm has blown over. Bog down. Don't let the details bog you down. The negotiations bogged down over technical issues. Bottle up. Don't bottle up your feelings. He always bottles up his worries. Branch out. Our company is branching out into new business areas. She decided to branch out from dance into other art forms. Break even. We hope to break even in the first year. The project has finally started to break even. Brighten up. A few plants can brighten up the room. The joke brightened up the whole room. Bring around. It took me a long time to bring him around to the idea. The doctor managed to bring the patient around. Brush off. Don't brush off other people's suggestions so easily. He always brushes off my questions. Buckle down. With exams coming up, it's time to buckle down and study. If we all buckle down, we can finish this project on time. Butt in. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to butt in on your conversation. He always likes to butt in on other people's dialogues. Be bound to. If you work hard, you're bound to succeed. This sort of thing is bound to happen sooner or later. Bring forth. This research has brought forth many new ideas. Spring has come, bringing forth new life. Be cut out for. I don't think I'm cut out for teaching. She's naturally cut out for leadership. Bail out. The government decided to bail out the bank. The pilot managed to bail out before the plane crashed. Be taken aback. I was taken aback by his sudden proposal. She was taken aback by the news. Bump into. I bumped into my old classmate at the supermarket today. Be careful not to bump into the table. Cling on. He clung on to the lifebuoy. She clung on to her dreams. Cool off. Let's cool off before we discuss this. The weather has finally started to cool off. Creep up. Prices are creeping up. He crept up on his prey. Cross out? Please cross out the incorrect answers. He crossed out that name from the list. Call it a day. We've been working for hours. Let's call it a day. He decided to call it a day early. Crack up. Everyone cracked up after hearing the joke. He nearly cracked up under the pressure. Crop out. Please crop out the background of the photo. He cropped out the unwanted parts from the picture. Chip in. Everyone chipped in to help with the charity project. He always likes to chip in when others are talking. Clock in. Don't forget to clock in when you arrive in the morning. He clocks in on time every day. Count on. You can count on my support. Don't always count on others. Learn to be independent. Chase up. I need to chase up the status of my order. Please chase up that report. Clamp down. The government is clamping down on illegal immigration. The school is clamping down on student attendance. Dash off. He dashed off a quick note. She dashed off immediately after the meeting. Dig in. The food is ready. Everyone dig in. The soldiers dug in their positions in the trenches. Do away with. The new government decided to do away with this old law. We should do away with these unnecessary expenses. Do up. We plan to do up the house next year. Can you help me do up my apron?